SDK.finance. Development process. To start the development process, you need to configure your local environment. For this, you need to install Node.js LTS version, PNPM version 10 or higher, Expo CLI, Android Studio, and Code. You can find more information in the Expo documentation. After that, you need to clone the repository and set up the env.local file. The next step is to install dependencies in the application, and then you can run the Expo start command. After the server has started, you can use quick actions to run your application. In my case, it will be run on the iOS simulator. The application has started. Now we can try to change something to see the changes in real time. Let's go to the Model's Entrance module and open the home screen. On the home screen, we have a title. We can change the title and save it. The title was updated, which means everything is working correctly, and you can go ahead.